I will give you $5. I will give each one of you $5. Please pay attention. I will give you $5. I will tell you buy something. What will you do with those $5? What will you do with those $5 first? You will convert them into rupees and then you can buy something. Correct? Did you convert it into rupees? Yes or no? Correct? If someone is having rupees, some USA person is having rupees, what will he do? He will get dollars and he will take it back. Correct? This is known as convertibility. This is called as convertibility. Convertibility. What, sir, what is the definition of, or what is the meaning of convertibility? Convertibility is freely you can exchange in terms of money. Freely convertible, correct? Money. Any money you, any currency you need, freely you can convert. Freely convertible to money of your choice is convertibility. Freely means willingly. Here it is not free in terms of economic. Willingly. Jitna you want, can you convert? I will give you $5, I will give you $50, I will give you $500. You can convert. Correct? Freely convertible. Are there any restrictions on it? No. Correct? Those are transaction charges. Is anyone stopping you from doing that? Nobody is stopping you. Nobody is disallowing you from doing that. Now, this is the most important aspect of BOP chapter, which I am going to talk about. Most important chapter. Okay? Suppose if I give you $1,000 and if I tell you to go and convert it. Suppose RBI disallows you. RBI disallows you. $1,000 RBI will disallow. You cannot convert into money. What does that mean? There are restrictions. Correct? Does it also mean dollar stays within India or dollar cannot buy things, but you cannot convert it. So dollar is not changed to rupees. Dollar is staying within the economy. Correct? Now you tell me, if someone is bringing $1 lakh into the economy, should we allow them to freely take away that money again outside India? Yes or no? Correct? समझ आ रहा है? Why no? Instability. Remember banking net stable funding ratio. India should also have stable funding. But if someone is doing day-to-day transactions, should he be allowed to exchange at will? Yes or no? If someone is doing day-to-day transactions, should he be allowed to convert his money? Apple is selling iPhones here every day. So if it gets, let's say, 70,000 rupees from a person, it wants dollars. It will go to RBI. Sir, give me dollars in front of these 70,000 rupees. Will RBI give? Yes. So freely convertible. What do you mean by freely convertible? Without restrictions, you can convert your money into any currency which you want. Yes or no? And once you convert your money, you can take it outside India. Barabar? Now you tell me, what if I tell you that there is current account convertibility? What do you mean by that? Just think and tell me. What do you mean by current account convertibility? Which means if you are doing current account transactions, if you are doing goods, services, remittances, you can convert them freely. Yes or no? So current account convertibility and capital account convertibility. Who are people who are involved in current account, goods, services, remittances, etc.? Should we have restrictions on them? We should not, ideally, because they are daily transactions. They should need the free will to convert in terms of their currency and take it away. Who are the players in capital account? Investment and borrowings. Correct? If Apple is setting up a plant for $1 million in India, tomorrow if it wants to go back, it will be very unstable for us because employment ho raha hai, employment is there, tomorrow it will not be there, employment will go. We will have to arrange for $1 million for Apple to go back. Correct? Because Apple will ask, I have invested dollars, you converted them into rupees and you set up that plant, give me back my dollars. So those rupees will have to be converted again into dollars and given them back. More than that, the development will suffer. Are you understanding? Yes or no? Correct? So tell me, इसमें से which of the funding should be long term and which is short term? Long term, short term, correct? So we cannot rely on this, yes or no? This is for day-to-day transactions. Can we rely on this for development? Can we rely on this for growth and development? No, this is daily. We can rely on this, yes. Same thing RBI did. Same thing RBI did when it started deregulating exchange rates. When it started deregulating exchange rate. When it started going to floating exchange rate. It first started. Trade account hai, it is there. First is trade in goods. It first liberalized trade account. RBI first liberalized trade account, which means it made trade account convertible, completely convertible, without restrictions. Enjoy. You do 10 lakh, 20 lakh transactions under trade account, you can take your money away. Enjoy. Next what we did was we went for current account convertibility. Second step, current account convertibility. Pura convertibility we are allowing. We are allowing convertibility in current account. Next, capital account convertibility we allowed. Did we allow full? No. We allowed only partial. What do you mean by partial capital account convertibility? Ki up to some extent you can take your money back, but no refunds in case of other monies. Correct? Have you heard of the term 49% FDI allowed? Have you heard of the term 74% FDI allowed? If you get in that 49%, you cannot reduce it because of partial capital account convertibility. India has partial capital account convertibility. India has full current account convertibility.